So I have lots of projects in the garden, but there's one that I really want to get done today, and that is this corner near the bar, because whenever I come across with a lawnmower it seems like just an empty space. It's just growing dandelions, so I'm going to cut a lot of those out and use them because there's plenty around the yard, and build this up into a garden. So this is the area here. So as you can see, there's the grapevine that comes up into the bar. And I have calendula and a few other things growing there, but yeah, this is just a bit of an ugly wasted space that I really want to fix. So I think there's a whole bunch of dandelion in here which I'm going to dig out, and then eventually I'm going to put a little bit of a concrete path leading up to the steps, and then behind me we've got the fire pit. So this is what I'm going to work on for a little bit this afternoon. Well, I've made some progress. Also made a lot of mess. It's so boggy in there at the moment. Still got a lot to go. Alright, I've made quite the mess. It's really damp and boggy. I'm going to let this sit overnight and dry out a little. I did prune up the grape while I was here. Cleaned out the first two steps there over there. So still have quite a bit to put in the green bin, and I'm going to be planting some different plants in here. Let's come down to where I actually have the plants. So these are all in pots. We went away on a trip and we basically just put the sprinkler on. That's why they've been sitting here for ages, but it's time for them to go back in the garden. So I have a couple of different things to pop in there. So I have some yarrow there, there's some sorrel and lemongrass that need to go in. I've got comfrey around there, and today I picked up some gazanias, and I really love these. These are called Sweet Williams, and that's what's in the centre of these pots. They're really quite cute. There's a couple over there too, which I'm going to also put in the garden. I'm going to put the lemon verbena in that garden. Echinacea might can stay in that pot for a little bit. So really just transferring some of what's here and putting it into a better spot, rather than just being in pots, because gardens, I love them. They don't need to look ugly, but because this has been getting the sprinkler, it's growing moss all underneath, and I actually want to build another garden in here and do a deck as part of the house, so it has to go. Now I'm a bit dirty, so I'm about to go and have a rinse off, and then I'm going to go and hop in that. And I'll see you in the next video.